In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook search to find pages or groups. Let's get started right from the Facebook home screen. When you open Facebook, whether you're on a computer or using the mobile app, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. On desktop, it's usually at the very top in the center or left side. On mobile, you'll see a search icon that looks like a magnifying glass, typically at the top of the app. Go ahead and click or tap on that search area to activate it. Now that the search bar is active, you can start typing the name of the page or group you want to find. Try to be as specific as you can. For example, if you know the exact name of the group or page, type it in fully. If you only remember part of the name, type what you know and let Facebook suggest options. As you type, you'll probably see a drop-down list of results appear underneath the search bar. These can include people, pages, groups, events, and more. If you're on desktop, after you type the name, you can either press enter on your keyboard or click on the option that best matches what you're looking for. On mobile, you can tap the suggestion that looks correct, or tap the search button on your keyboard to see a full list of results. Once the results page loads, you'll notice different categories across the top, such as all, posts, people, photos, videos, pages, and groups. If you're specifically looking for a page, click or tap on the Pages tab to filter the results. This will show you only Facebook pages that match your search term. Scroll through the list until you find the page you want. When you see it, click or tap on its name to open the page. From there, you can like or follow the page so it's easier to find in the future. If you're looking for a group, do the same thing but choose the Groups tab at the top of the results. This will narrow the results down to groups only. Browse through the list to find the group you're interested in. Once you've found it, click or tap on the group name. If it's a public group, you may be able to join right away. If it's private, you'll usually see a button to request to join, and you may need to wait for approval. That's all there is to it. By clicking on search, typing in the group or page name, and then clicking on the result that matches what you're looking for, you can quickly find almost any Facebook page or group you need.